Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. I am Mazi Ezike Chinedu and I am so excited for you to start your journey into this exciting field of AI in UI and UX design. This course explores how artificial intelligence, which is AI, is revolutionizing user interface and user experience design, from streamlining the design process to creating hyper-personalized user experiences. As a participant in this course, you will gain in-depth knowledge of AI tools, techniques, and strategies that can elevate your designs to the next level. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, what are the objectives of this course? By the end of this course, as a participant, you will be able to first understand the fundamentals of AI and its applications in UI and UX design. And then you are going to go ahead to leverage AI tools in order to enhance the design process. Afterwards, you will also go ahead to implement AI-driven features in order to create personalized and adaptive user experiences. Additionally, you will be able to address challenges and ethical considerations when using AI in designs. After that, you will finally understand how to stay ahead of emerging trends in AI-powered UI and UX design. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, what are the course models and what are we going to learn in each model? First things first, we're going to start with model 1. In model 1, we're going to start by introducing AI in UI and UX design. Under this model, we're going to start by understanding what artificial intelligence is all about, and then take a look at some overview of AI concepts, including machine learning, natural language processing, and neural networks. And then after that, we are going to get to know how AI enhances UI and UX. And under this, we're going to have some overview of automation, personalization, and predictive design. After that, we are going to dive into some case studies with examples of AI-driven UI and UX designs. For example, the Netflix, the Spotify, and the Google. And then we are going to go ahead to carry out some exercises whereby you will be expected to research and present an example of AI integration in UI and UX. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, in the next model, which is model 2, we're going to be talking about AI in the design process. Under this model, we will be talking about ideation and research, where we will explore some tools for user behavior analysis and trend prediction. And then we are also going to be looking at prototyping and design, under which we will explore tools for user behavior analysis and trend prediction. Additionally, you're going to be learning more about generative design, exploring multiple layout options. You are also going to learn about testing and iteration, under which we will talk about usability testing and heat map analysis. And then we're going to explore tools like Crazy Egg, Maze, and Look Back. Finally, under module 2, we're going to be having some practical exercises whereby you would be expected to create a prototype using an AI powered design tool. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, next is the module 3. In module 3, we are going to be talking about AI driven user experiences. Under module 3, we are going to start with personalization, whereby you will be creating adaptive interfaces using AI, and then forge ahead to learn more about AI driven content recommendations that are based on user behavior. After that, we are going to carry out some practical exercises on dynamic content generation. Furthermore, under module 3, we are going to be learning more about conversational interfaces, including designing for AI chatbots and virtual assistants. And then you are also going to get a hands-on with natural language processing tools for chatbots development. And then finally, under conversational interfaces, we're going to have a case study with AI powered customer service chatbots. Next, under module 3, we are going to be learning more about predictive analytics and emotion recognition, whereby we would be using AI to anticipate user needs and behavior. And then under predictive analytics and emotion recognition, we are going to learn more about AI driven sentiment analysis for improving UX. After that, we are going to go ahead to carry out some practical exercises, whereby it is expected of you to develop a chatbot UI UX prototype using an AI powered tool. Additionally, it would also be expected of you to implement an AI driven recommendation system for a digital product. And that's beautiful, guys. The next module is module 4. In module 4, we are going to be learning about accessibility and inclusivity with AI. Under this module, we will start by learning about AI tools for accessibility, under which we would start by talking about automated ALT text generation for images in order to assist visually impaired users. Additionally, we will also be talking about AI powered speech to text and text to speech technologies. And then finally, under AI tools for accessibility, we are going to learn to contrast analysis and color adjustment for better readability. Now, under this module 4, we would also be designing for diverse audiences, whereby we will be talking about AI driven translations for multilingual users, adaptive UI elements that change based on user needs, AI generated voice interfaces for hands-free navigation. Now, under module 4, we would also be learning about compliance and standards. Under these, we will be ensuring that AI enhanced designs meet web content accessibility guideline standards. Next, under compliance and standard, we are also going to be learning about AI tools for auditing accessibility in UI design. And then We are also going to be talking about some best practices for maintaining compliance in AI driven interfaces. And that's fine. So guys, before we conclude with this model, just like other models, we would have some practical exercises. In this practical exercise, it will be expected of you to make use of an AI powered accessibility testing tool. For example, the Microsoft Accessibility Insight, in order to audit a website or an app and then suggest improvements. After that, it would also be expected of you to implement AI driven text to speech or speech to text functionality in a UI prototype. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, the next in line would be model 5. With model 5, we will be talking about ethical considerations and challenges, whereby we will be addressing GDPR, CCPA, and other regulations. Additionally, under model 5, we will be learning about avoiding bias in AI models, whereby we will be understanding and mitigating AI bias in design outcome. Additionally, under model 5, we will be talking about ethical design practices, whereby you will be learning about balancing automation with creativity and human oversight. And then finally, under model 5, we will be carrying out some practical exercises under which it is expected of you to create an ethical AI driven UI framework. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, the next and the final model will be model 6. Under model 6, you will be learning more about the emerging trends and the future of AI in UI and UX. Under this model, we will be talking about hyper personalization. At this stage, we will be exploring real-time context-aware design. Next, under module 6 is the neuro design. At this stage, you will be designing interfaces that are based on cognitive and emotional analysis. Next, under module 6 is what we call the AR, VR, and the AI. Under this, you would have an understanding of how AI enhances immersive experiences. And then, under module 6, we would also go ahead to learn about collaborative AI, where you are going to be working with AI as a co-designer. And then finally, under module 6, we are going to have some practical exercises, just like other modules, guys. In this practical exercise, it would be required of you to carry out a research and then present a futuristic AI concept. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, what is the format for this course? This course is having a duration of 8 weeks. Delivery online with live sessions and recorded tutorials. In this course, there will be assignments whereby we would have practical exercises and projects after each module. And then we're going to have a final project whereby it is expected of you to design an AI-driven interface or experience incorporating concepts that you must have learned in this course. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, who should enroll in this course? This course is designed for UI and UX designers that are seeking to integrate AI into their workflow. This course is equally designed for product designers that are interested in creating smarter user experiences. Additionally, this course is also designed for developers collaborating with designers on AI-powered products. Finally, this course is for anyone that is curious about the intersection of AI and design. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, what are some of the tools and softwares that are going to be needed? So guys, what are some of the tools and softwares that are going to be needed or used in this course? In this course, you gain hands-on experience with tools such as Adobe Sensei, Figma AI plugins. For example, they remove background and the color palette by AI. Again, you are also going to gain hands-on experience with tools such as the UI Zard, the Crazy Egg, the Hotjar, and the Microsoft Accessibility Insight. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, what are some of the learning outcomes? At the end of this course, you would have a solid understanding of how AI influences UI and UX design. And then you would also have a practical skill in AI-powered tools and processes. And then you would also grab some practical skills in AI-powered tools and processes. Additionally, you would also have an AI-driven design portfolio showcasing innovative user interfaces and experiences. Finally, you would have some awareness of ethical challenges and solutions in AI designs. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, ready to transform your design skills? Dive in now and take the first step toward mastering AI in UI and UX design. And that's beautiful, guys. See you soon.